can see the thoughts that's in my thoughts, that's in my head. It's just ain't worth.
Hey, what's goody, what's goody, what's good, my people? Welcome back to another video of mine. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So I've got some positive feedback from my previous video that I did of a makeup voiceover of all my guy friends, you know, just ripping me apart, just bit by bit, shred from shred. So I decided to come back with another banger for you lot. Banger, yuck. I'm so sorry. I tried to talk like one of them hype like YouTubers, like, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, smash that like button. Let us, like, I can't do it. It's just not me. It's just not me. But anyway, so I've come up with another video review for you guys, and I've decided to do another one, but of me cooking. So let me know what you guys think. Hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, let's get straight into it. For this voiceover today, I've got my friends Adelaide, Jessie, Coyote, and Eli. Their socials will be in the link description below. So enjoy this video, guys.
Hi guys.
Yes, what's good, subscribers?
Can I see you? Go on,
This
girl.
one dancing on camera. Say less. Do your thing.
I thought this was a cooking video. What is this, a dance tutorial or something?
Blood clot.
There's prawns. What's that? What fish is that? Salmon.
We've got carrots and potatoes and our olive seasoning, which you'll be using today to make this meal.
Dancing away. Alright.
What are we making, B? What are we making? Okay, fine. Where you going? What?
Gone to get something. I don't know what you're going to get.
Yeah. What kind of sink is that though?
It's important to wash your meat with vinegar because that gets rid of all the bacteria and all the shit that's floating around in your meat that's hiding in there. Wash it well. Rinse out your meat good.
Nice little sink store.
Dude, you see? When you have rice, you wash it. When you have chicken, you wash it.
We don't want no germs on that thing, do we?
I didn't see no hand wash though. Chai.
Thing hot. Blood clot.
That K-pop in the back. The hard store. Is this in China? God, this place is all looking different.
Rinse off the meat well.
Thoroughly wash that.
Yeah, we don't want no tainted meat, so you wash the thing nice and clean. Dry your hand.
A little bubble.
A clean kitchen is a clean mind. That was by Gandhi in 1979. I killed
The
myself.
Simpsons topping that.
So now, rocking a nice Simpsons hoodie, I see. Now you got your soy sauce.
What kind of fish is that, like?
How about fish spice?
More fish spice. What fish spice is that? Can't lie, I'm after. Never even seen that before. Store.
Jamaican thing. I hear that.
Ground black pepper. Essentials.
Looking like fried fish tonight.
You don't use no spoons or nothing. We just like pour. We just pour to the ancestors tell us to start.
Blood fire, hot paprika too.
Going up on the seasoning. Don't be shy on that.
You're screaming because of your nails. You don't want to get your nails dirty. Good nails and that. Your acrylics and that. They got the Chinese spice. You need a bit of Chinese feng shui going up in there.
Keeping it spicy.
Hold on, what's going on? Chinese spice. Alright. Get that all in store. All in the edges and these things.
Dip it in, rub it in. Rub that beauty in. I'm joking.
Alright. I don't even know what we're making actually, to be fair. Is that shitter? I can't lie. What's this? Like, just wiping hand. What's going on? Gotta put it underwater. Like, get that hand clean.
You got prawn too. Look at all that food there. What do you lots know about allspice?
Yeah. I can't lie. That actually looks like it's gonna taste nice, though.
Bare different seasonings. We need all heap of seasoning in our food. That's how we do it around here. Yeah.
That bare seasoning. Like, definitely not white chick. So, I don't know if I should be saying that.
Just eyeball it. That's what we do.
She know what she doing. I can tell you that. She knows what she doing. Some of you girls know to learn how to cook. Listen to this girl and find out how to cook.
I don't know what that is. Never used it. Clearly, I don't cook.
It's like turmeric. I don't know.
Yeah, we're using some of the same thing. You want to keep the same flavors. What is that?
Chili too. You're trying to make us go A&E tonight. It's a lot of chili.
Getting a spoon because it's a bit spicy. This one you've got to measure because you don't want to burn up your lips.
Get the flavors locked in. Get it.
Make sure all the seasons are fusing together, mashing well, so the seasons all come together and give you an exquisite taste. Yes.
I should probably cook more often. Stir that thoroughly. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna marinate that for I don't know how long. Just gonna guess like 2 hours.
Let all the seasons come together. I would preferably do it overnight, but we'll push for time.
So meanwhile, we're just gonna turn up one time, bust up a routine quick.
Just be free in it. Like, wind up yourself. Yes, girl. Go there, girl. Yes.
One thing we know, this thing look good.
Nice kitchen though. Change some angles on that bit. I know what we got in the background. Is that a K-pop music video?
The potatoes, we're having mash or we're having boiled. What's the other one? Can even have fried potato, you know. I've had a fried potato before, but probably gonna make baked potato. Watch it. Guarantee you, we're gonna make baked potato.
Or what? We're just making potatoes and fish and that.
Now we're chopping off the ends because you don't eat that shit.
Hey, your cutting technique's kind of dangerous, though.
So look at chips to me. I don't know if this is chips or potatoes or something. But the thing look damn good.
Shouldn't you use a bigger knife? I don't know. I'm just taking a piss at this point.
Ooh, you chopped yourself.
That's why she didn't use no big knife.
I have to be careful with them knives, B. Don't play with knives. That's what they tell us all the time. If you're watching at home, don't try this at home, please, because...
Gonna get all up on there so everywhere is covered because you don't want your stuff sticking.
I don't know about the carrots though, but...
Disclaimer, I'm not really too culinary inclined in it, so a lot of the stuff that's going on, I'm not really too... But obviously, man does my thing in the kitchen, but I'm not too like, do you know what I mean?
Oh, so we're doing potato wedges and carrot wedges. Okay, that's what we're doing now.
I say it again, if you're watching, do not... Oh my lord, what happened there?
Yeah, you find your girl that can cook. If a girl that cook, problem physical. I guarantee you we're gonna get some seasoning on the potatoes too. Watch it.
Slap them in the oven. That's just a guess. That's just a guess I'm having. Okay. Careful with your little fingers. We don't want to repeat of what just happened. Oh, snap.
Can't lie, this looks like, well, it's like a Sunday roast. Yeah, that's some serious skills, store. You've done this before a couple times. If you're at home, take notes. That's how it's done, store. True professional.
So everywhere gets seasoned, so seasoned to the last bite.
Roll up the sleeves, let's get to working. And some more dancing, essential. That's how you know this was cooked with love and joy. When you taste it, you just feel like dancing as well.
Is this like, I think this is like a dance / cooking video. We just want little fingers. Turn them potatoes to fingers.
So we're getting a little roast. It's looking like a little roast thing. Little roast Sunday dinner. Little Jamaican style.
Can cook in its juices and just give off good aromas in the oven. We put that in the oven there.
I don't know for how long. Long enough to not come out like charcoal, hope so.
It's the dessert or something, or...
We're gonna get some self-raising flour and some table salt. Gonna pour some flour in there. Yep. We don't measure. We just pour in, like I said. Just pour it till the ancestors tell us to stop.
Are we making some sort of like batter for the fish to go on? Are we making fried fish here? I'm proud of this. What's going on right now, still.
For not being shy in the season and to take a little break. 2-2 step as usual. Have a little water. Break your neck. Oh, I thought this was for you. Okay, so put the water inside the little thing and then just mix it. What are we doing? Oh, we're probably frying these. Okay, deep frying it.
It's definitely a dumpling thing. I know for sure when I see the self-raising flour and I see the salt, you already know what time it is. Now watch the TV, no girl. Focus on the toast. That's it. That's a good girl.
Don't be shy, man. Just use your hands. We black out here. Like we're not scared to get messy with it.
But we use my hand though, man. I know I use spoon, but same thing in it.
Now we've got a bit of water, cold water that is. Add it in gradually. Then get a spoon, and we're gonna start to mix the water into the flour. So I guess we're making dumplings. I believe we're gonna make dumplings. So now we're putting more water in. Yeah, pour the water in bit by bit. Don't pour it all in, because if you pour it all in, it will just turn into a thick consistency, and that's not what we're trying to go for. We're trying to make it smooth. So we're gonna stir it in with a spoon. Stir it, mix. Add more water as you need to.
Yeah, it must be dumplings, but I don't want to sound fresh in it, and then someone says, this guy is saying it's Afghan, fam. I'm African, by the way, so I'm not really with the dumplings thing, but I'm more of a puff guy myself, but, you know, that's for the Africans out there. Very efficient stuff going on here. I'm proud of this, what's going on right now, still.
We're just going to get our hands in there and just stir, and then add more cold water and stir it again with our hands. Knead it in, knead it.
All the Jamaicans love a dumpling store.
Add in a bit more flour so it don't stick, so it's not as sticky.
You must put sugar in it, you know. I put sugar, salt, and we mix the thing like this.
I'll put some muscle into that. Show us you go gym.
Then you're just gonna pinch off a bit, then rub it in, roll it into your hand. We're gonna roll it in a bowl and then flatten it out with our fingers. Flatten it out so we're not making spinners, we're making a circular dumpling.
Should we add up a little bit more water? Yeah, I think we should add up a little bit more water, but I'm not the chef here, so
I don't know why you add more water.
have a little break. The arm's getting tired. Oh snap. Is this something you learned in China?
She not easy enough. Fire.
Gotta grease that up. Lovely.
That's how you make dumpling, get a girl, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you make it.
The dumplings look a bit, they don't look like, anyways, yeah. Now we're gonna put them in the hot oil and fry them. Position the camera properly so you lot can see what I'm doing.
Oh, this is probably like something you learned in China. So she just dashed these little balls she done into the pan with some olive oil. I don't know what it is. I probably should be more cultured.
I'm waiting for that dumpling to fry. Man, I want to buy a dumpling. We want fried dumpling.
Ooh, that's a nice golden brown. You want it to be a nice golden brown. You don't want your dumplings all bun up.
Okay, I see the technique, Michaela.
When you bite into it, it's not raw on the inside. It's cooked evenly. That's what we're going for. Food comes out tasting good and scrumptious.
Crispy dumpling.
Brown color on both sides. That's when you'll know it look nice. Little buns. Yeah, I don't know what that is, but it's probably like a little biscuit.
Where's the rice? That's it. That's what we're looking for.
What music you listening to? That's what I'm wondering. Like, oh my life.
Yeah, look, you burnt your thing because you was dancing too much. Donut.
You almost died. I beg you don't fall off in the kitchen with a hot pan. The savage challenge as well.
All this dancing though, I don't know about it still. Like, I don't know what's going on there, man. It's all hazardous in these things. Bare hot stuff and that. You can't be dancing too tough around them things there.
Like, she burning up the thing. You know, when you get bored in the kitchen, you just start doing the most. Like, when you're waiting for your foods, like, you just start doing the most.
Now we're going to put some more oil in the skillet.
I don't know, I'm just trying bullshit at this point. I like my little biscuit.
Gonna wait for the oil to heat up a bit.
I'm excited for this though. Yum.
Was it mushrooms? I'm not a big fan of mushrooms myself still, but... Wait, is that mushrooms or am I bugging?
And we're going to put some peas in there. I believe that's mushrooms and peas, or onions and peas. Either way, we're putting stuff in there, innit?
All you girls take note. All you girls take note.
Nah, this is actually jokes. I ain't gonna lie to you. You're gonna get delirious tonight. But I don't like those. There's a bit of frying in this.
Fry it with the peas and the onions or the mushrooms, whatever the fuck that is, I don't know.
And then the food's so good, you're like, can't even contain it. She knows what's coming her way. She knows that the belly is gonna be hit tonight.
Wait, actually, she could be making ackee and saltfish, to be fair. I know that's really popular with the Jamaican crowd.
Right now, my mouth is even like just watering at the prospect of this food. Like,
I've never had it personally by the way, before someone says that. I'm just making assumptions based off obviously context.
Fam, I'm still not over that fact that she fell off in the kitchen.
Ooh, I can't lie, that fish is looking 10-10, TT grub 10-10.
We're grating off the fish and putting it in.
because she slow cooked the thing. That's what I'm talking about, mate. Come on.
My future babes, if you're watching, take notes. Take serious notes. Get a notepad and a pen.
It's looking nice, looking tasty. I'm hungry, man. Should have not asked me to do this while it was Ramadan.
Oh gosh, this thing look good.
Where did you learn this? Is this a Caribbean recipe?
Why am I not there right now? I know you're all thinking this as well. Why are we not here right now? Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh. That just looks like sensation.
Wash the spinach. We're gonna wash the spinach first because you need to wash the shit.
So spinach, healthy. Y'all trying to make me healthy, man.
5 a day, all of that good stuff.
Now we'll put some baby spinach in there.
Everything's going together. Okay, put the lid on first. I thought we were gonna steer it.
It may look like a lot of spinach, but like it will shrink as it cooks, so we don't need to worry about that.
It's from the fish and the prawns and all that seasoning can just go nicely together. Oh, snap.
And drink water because you need to stay hydrated.
Come on, this is a seafood suplex right here still. Masterclass
This
thing.
looks like a Mazzolino.
So everything's coming out nicely. Potatoes and the carrots are looking beautiful.
I think we're almost done, to be fair. I think the meal's coming together, you know.
the bowl that we marinated the shrimp in, we're gonna pour some boiling water in because it's got all the seasonings, and that's good because we need a gravy, so we're gonna make a gravy.
I don't even want to make any more suggestions before someone says that man's effing. I'm just gonna say mackerel, man. Forget it, man. Gang business. That's looking like a casserole right now, but obviously.
I can make a little sauce and I'm hungry.
Lord fire. She not play at all. Boy, that's how you cook. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you cook.
It's the aromas that are coming from the kitchen. Your mouth will be watering, your belly will go rumble, all them something there. Yeah.
Now you got me messed up with all these flavors, man. Give me some high blood pressure.
Waiting for the gravy to cook and let it thicken up a bit.
Oh, she got the proper Dutchie as well.
Kudos to you, man. 10-10.
Oh my days, no, that's mad.
Better seasoning. Love it though. That must taste nice though. Send me a little bowl, man. I'm hungry. It's Ramadan. I need something to break my fast.
Just looks mad. Just looks absolutely insane.
Where's my plate? Fix me a plate. I need more potatoes on my plate.
Do not master chef.
Black chefs matter. All of that. Come on.
Levels. I need to know the name of this dish.
Those extra hot recipe.
Yeah, I can't lie. That thing looks like if I eat it, I'll turn into Vibes Cartel. Gaza for life. Dumpling on the side. True Jamaican.
And there we go. Dinner served.
Let's see presentation. Clean up the plate. 5-star restaurant. Replay.
Oh my gosh.